Limit specialty windows and skylights when building to keep your project budget-friendly and reduce ongoing maintenance. Start by placing a simple daylight plan that uses fixed standard windows to capture light where occupants need it most. Choose window sizes that match standard framing and order common glass configurations to avoid custom lead times and higher costs. For areas that need light but not a view, consider solar tubes, also called tubular daylighting devices, which fit through small roof openings and cost far less than a full skylight. Where ventilation is required, use a minimal number of operable windows placed to promote cross-ventilation and stack effect rather than adding many operable skylights which raise both installation and leak risk. Specify durable low-maintenance frames such as vinyl or fiberglass and double glazing with a low emissivity coating to improve comfort and reduce energy load without specialty glass extras. Work with your contractor to coordinate rough openings early so you can use off-the-shelf units and avoid field modifications that lead to change orders. Most homeowners overestimate the daylight provided by small windows and then add more openings, which increases cost and heat gain. Instead, perform simple daylight mapping by standing in rooms at midday and noting shadowed areas, then add targeted fixed windows or solar tubes. Another common issue is choosing too many operable skylights, which create leak risk and high maintenance. The fix is to limit operable roof penetrations, use quality flashing details, and prioritize operable wall windows for ventilation. Finally, people sometimes select expensive custom glazing for views they rarely appreciate. Use standard clear or low iron glass only where the view justifies it, and rely on interior finishes and light placement to enhance perceived openness. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for projects that limit specialty windows and skylights and match budget-friendly construction goals. We also support contractors looking for work, and we host a community discussion area where members share experiences, product recommendations, and installation tips.